Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I'm the Honest Mechanic. So in today's video, I just want to show you what I do to service the front brakes on a 2009 Subaru Forester. So if you're new to my channel, I would recommend you guys check out some of the other videos I have. In particular, the reason why I ended up putting on these cross-drilled and slotted rotors. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be disconnecting the front caliper. I'm also going to remove the bridge. I'm going to grease all of the pins. I'm going to clean up the rotor a little bit. And I'm also going to, since I'm in here, I'm going to go ahead and grease these two stabilizer links, bushings, right in the bottom there. Alright guys, so check this out. So I've got the caliper removed. So in order to do that, what you're going to need is to remove these two bolts that go right back into the slide pins onto the brake assembly. So these are 14mm bolts, or you'll need a 14mm wrench, sorry, to remove that. And now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this bolt right here and this one right up there, and that's going to remove this bridge right up here. But check this out. This is the reason why I like to do this on a periodic basis. This pin right here is okay. This is what you're supposed to see. So every time you apply your brakes, as your pads wear, this pad is in pretty good shape, same as this one over here. But as these pads wear, this pin here and here, they need to compensate for the wear. So check this out. This one works. This one here, she is seized solid. So I'm gonna have to work at that a little bit, free it up. Once I've got it removed, you can pull it out of its assembly here. See all this old grease here and all this other stuff. I'm gonna clean that up and I'm gonna put some fresh grease. There's specific grease you can purchase at your local parts store for this, and I would highly recommend that you do that. So after I'm all done with this one here, I'm going to put it all back together, grease up those two stabilizer links, do the other side, and we're good to go. Again, thanks for watching.